How to find story templates on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you do that, what you can simply do is tap on your story option at the top left corner. Now as you do that, it will launch your camera section. So what you simply can do over here is you can just tap on the create option, and as you do that, you can just tap on this color icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can just tap on it and change the color. Next, what you can do is simply you can see this AA option. Now just swipe it and you can see there's options of happy birthday. So if you want to wish anybody birthday, you can tap on it. You can tap on the GIF section as well. Now if you tap on the birthday section as well, here you can see the cube icon at the top of the screen, so you can just keep on switching it on. Next, what you can do is you can simply just go back now, and then what you can do is simply you can now let's click a picture over here, random one over here, and as you click a random picture, you can see the sticker icon at the top of the screen. So simply select on the sticker icon, and as you do that, here you can see the option of add yours. So simply you can tap on add yours and you can have a template over here as well. The other way around over here, what you can do is simply just discard the story option, and you can just tap on the reel section, and as you tap on the reel section, you can see the option of templates at the top. So tap on templates, and here you'll be able to see all the templates. So what you can do is you can just make a reel over here through this templates, download it, and then put it on your story. That's the way. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.